So we're here at the KDE booth, and this is Justin, who works on KDE. So Justin, tell us a little bit about what you do on KDE and what KDE is.
So my name is Justin Kirby, and I work with the KDE promo team. And mostly what that's about is just a group of people that get together and try to spread the word about what KDE is, and what the different parts of the community and the project itself is. And we do all kind of different things. We write blog articles. We come to conferences like this to show off the software. Try to host things for Linux user groups to help spread awareness.
Do you work for KDE as a company, or this is something you do in your spare time?
No, KDE is purely community-driven, volunteer at its core. A legal body that was established that people, if they choose to, can. I became a member of the KDE EV like 3 weeks ago.
Oh, congratulations!
So I've been sort of participating ad hoc since maybe July of last year.
Oh, wow.
But as far as sort of being officially a part of the EV, that just happened recently.
So can you go ahead and show us what KDE is? And just for our viewers watching, KDE is one of the, sorry if I say this wrong, you can always correct me, one of the graphical user interfaces that you can put on top of Linux? Or is it more than that?
It is much more than that.
Okay.
So KDE is more of the community or the brand of what we're doing, and it consists of multiple things, one part of which is the desktop environment that you're describing, which is the graphical layer that sits on top of Linux. In addition to that, though, there's also applications. So some of what's on the screen here, for example, if you could see, this one is Dolphin. That's a file manager that is a KDE application. Underneath that, we've got, if I can find my cursor, we've got Amarok, which is a music playing application. They also create, there's different suites of applications, so there's also games packages. So here's an example of one of the games. And then, so there's that, and then there's also that are built off of,
So if I was interested in KDE and wanted to learn more, and where would I go?
So our main website, kde.org, is a great place to start. So you can get an overview of the project and what it is from here. As an end user, there are two really good resources that you can go to. One is the user base, which is just userbase.kde.org, and this is essentially an online version of all of our documentation, information about all the applications. So depending on our internet connection here.
Yeah, our internet connection's a little slow.
Yeah.
Too many computer people for a hotel.
Right. So you can kind of get a sense for how KDE is broken up here. So the introduction is sort of about the community and an overview of all the different types of software, and then the applications, and then you can get help on all the different pieces. There's tutorials about how to use the software. We've also got KDE forums, which is another great place to go if you're interested. That's probably, yeah.
Okay, well, thank you, and I appreciate everything, and thanks for taking time to talk to us.
Yeah, no problem.